Hello students, today we are going to read and understand poem 1, that is The Squirrel, written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So before we start, you may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? Here is a poet's description of just such a squirrel. So, this is a short poem which gives us a description of a squirrel, its movement, the food it likes, the way it plays, and so on. This poem has only 6 lines. Let's read and understand this poem. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if he ran around his trees, he went the other way. So, in this stanza, the poet describes the unique characteristics of the squirrel. The stanza begins with a physical description of a squirrel. The squirrel is grey colored, and therefore the poet says that he wears an overcoat of grey. His tail is twisted like a question mark. Further, the poet describes the food that the squirrel mostly enjoys. He loves to eat nuts. The poet loves the game of hide and seek between him and the squirrel. If he went too close to the squirrel would go and hide in the other direction. In this stanza, overcoat means a long warm coat and tease means to poke fun at. Here, explanation of this poem gets over. Now let's discuss question and answers. Question 1. Why does the poet say the squirrel wore a question mark for tail? Draw a squirrel or find a picture of a squirrel sitting on the ground. How would you describe its tail? Now you have to draw or find a picture of a squirrel who is sitting on the ground and stick it in your notebook. Now, how will we describe its tail? The poet said that the squirrel wore a question mark for a tail because its tail is twisted, appearing like a question mark. Question 2. Do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? So, we usually say that an animal has a set of given characteristics rather saying wear. The poet, however, uses the word wear to indicate the external characteristics of the squirrel. The dictionary meaning of wear suggests something of an outer covering. For example, clothes. Question 3. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom and how? The poet liked to tease and play with the squirrel. Whenever the poet went a little close to the squirrel would run away in another direction. So here explanation of poem 1, that is The Squirrel, gets over.